Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I'm just going to do a quick introduction to the channel for this Hulkman 85S Alpha jumper pack. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today just going to do a quick introduction to the channel video. So I contacted Hulkman. I remember seeing this on a Kickstarter, on the Kickstarter app, where you can donate for to help people and their projects and things that they want to bring to market. I sent them an email. Asked them, hey, I would love to do some videos on this, and I would like to, do some videos with this jumper pack compared to like the NOCO GB150, maybe the GB70 and the GB50 and GB40, and told him, I got some Optima chargers and jumpers, as well as some Schumacher chargers as well as jumpers, and I have several other units. And I'd love to, test it out and take a look at it. And they said, sure, we could do that. And they sent me an email stating that that I would receive it in 4 to 5 days. From the email, I actually received it the next day. From what it looked like, it came from California, went to Tulsa, Arizona, then Phoenix, Arizona, then to me. So I actually got it pretty quick. I did already take this out the box. I did an unboxing as well as a electronic style video where I was showing it against this Milwaukee top off, showing you differences on how that charges compared to this, and a few other things. What I like the most about it is that it gives you the Alpha 85S as the model number on the back, which is kind of hard to see. It's kind of small right there. It does give you capacity 20,000 milliamps, 74 watt hours, Type C in. Gives you all the specs on the Type C in. Type C in, 65 watts in. Power delivery 18 watts out, 5 volt 3 amps, 9 volt 2 amp, 12 volt 1.5 amp, 5 volt 1 amp, 5 volt 2 amp. Type C out, power delivery 18 watt, 5 volt 3 amp, 9 volt 2 amp, 12 volt 1.5 amp, 5 volt 1 amp, 5 volt 2 amp. USB out is quick charge 3.0. 5 volt 3 amp, 9 volt 2 amp, 12 volt 1.5 amp, 5 volt 1 amp, 5 volt 2 amp, and the DC out 15 volt 10 amp, max 150 watts, which would be this guy right here, would be the DC out. I also like that it gives you, air code 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it gives you what they mean on the back. Plus, minus, poles of battery clips reversed would be air code 1, swap battery clips. 2 would be car equipment battery is dead. Press power and LED buttons simultaneously for 2 to 3 seconds to start forced output. You push both these buttons at the same time for forced output. Jump starter does not work when environment temp too low, too high. Restore temp of jump starter to 0 degrees to 45 degrees Celsius. Non-stop start cars entering safe mode. Safe mode will disappear after 10 minutes. And previous video, I forgot to mention, you guys will see this video before you see the unboxing and everything. This is just the introduction video, but when you hold this button down, you have the lights that come on, and then you push it again, the lights brighten, and then you go into just a flash mode. Anybody that has seizures, just a warning. And then if you push it again, it's an SOS mode. I originally state in the next video that it's slow flash. It's not, it's SOS. And then you have rapid flash in red. and then off. And then you would hold these two buttons down if you wanted to put it in force mode. Force mode turns on, says ready, 100%, because I've already charged it. You hear a little, what sounds like a relay, and then you can just hold the button down to turn it on. See, it's at 100%. USB-C in and out. It's right here. USB-A out is right here, and then the 12-volt out is right there. And I do go into more details showing all of these things in the next video. Just figured I'd show it to you guys. This side is for the jumper cables. And these, the seals on these plugs are very, very nice. They even were nice enough to put a little seal cap right here on the cable. It's very nice quality. I did have to contact Hulkman back. This charger has some issues. And I can show it to you guys real quick. I thought maybe it was the jump pack, then thought it was, you know, something else. Come to find out it's not. It's actually this cable. So there's some kind of connection problem in this head right here. I'm not sure why, but see that? I move it. Speed charging, but if you move the cable, see how it just disappears and it stops charging, and then now it's not charging, speed charging anymore, and then it does. So see, I just tilt the cable right here, this side of the screen, tilt the cable up, tilt the cable down, speed charging starts. So there's definitely a problem with this cable. I believe it's the cable. I don't believe it's the charge pack. I could be wrong, but I've already sent them an email about it. You know, it's already at 100%, so it's not really a big deal. I do feel it has something to do with the cable. See? So if I think it's got something to do with the cable, because if I twist the cable is when it starts doing that. Now it's not working. Now it is. We'll bring the cable up, kind of move the cable around. Yeah, see? So I think it's got something to do with the cable. I sent them an email stating, hey, you know, I think there's something wrong with the charging brick cable. It's Sunday, so I'm not going to get anything. I'm not going to probably hear anything back about it right now. But it doesn't have any problem charging devices or anything. It did charge my phone, no issues. USB-A port works perfectly fine. Even the USB-C port works perfectly fine. Bring my phone over here so you guys can see it. I'll plug a regular USB-C cable in. It's USB-C to USB-C. Says fully charged on my phone. Shows that it's working out, and if I wiggle this cable, it doesn't change. So I think there is definitely something wrong with the power brick that it came with. So just figured I'd give you guys a quick update, quick little intro to the channel. Everything else seems to work perfectly fine. I will definitely be doing some video comparisons with this, with some Noco jumpers, as well as Schumacher and Optima and other brands. Just figured I'd show it to you guys real quick, do just an intro to the channel. They did send it to me to do videos on for you guys. I kind of do wish that there was a hard case that would have been provided with it, but I'm pretty sure that they might be selling hard cases. I don't know. I can always contact them and ask them. I'll let you guys know if they do sell hard cases. The cables feel really, really nice. These do feel like very high quality cables. Even the charging brick feels like very high quality. Not sure why, what's wrong with this cable, but I'll give you guys an update on it down the road after I speak to them. Hopefully I can get a replacement and do some more videos for you guys. I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. It's not going to be a really long video today. Just wanted to be informative and let you guys know that there's going to be more videos on this coming to the channel. I do appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I'll leave a link for Amazon for this below. There is a difference between the Alpha 85S and the Alpha 85. The Alpha 85 will go, I believe it's to, where is it at? I had information on that for you guys. The Hulkman Alpha 100 will be out within 2 weeks or so, the beginning of June. That's some information for you guys if you guys are interested in that one. And the differences between the Alpha 85 and the Alpha 85S comes with the same battery capacity, 74 watt hours, 2000 milliamp at 3.7 volts, and the same peak current of 2000 amps. The only big difference between the Alpha 85 and the Alpha 85S is that comes down to the preheat technology. Preheat technology dramatically beefs up the battery's performance in freezing weather, enabling it to operate at -40. So the Alpha 85S does -40 to 113 degrees, and the Alpha 85 can do -5 degrees to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's the only difference between this model and the 85. This is the Alpha 85S. They sent me the Alpha 85S. They did not send me the Alpha 85. So just wanted to give some information updates. I will provide links below in the description for the Alpha 85, which I believe is a 99 bucks. The Alpha 85S is 199, I believe. I could be wrong. Just refer to the links. If you guys want to check them out, you guys want to purchase them, I'll leave them down below. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, and all the people that use the affiliate links and everything below. It does help the channel out. It does allow me to bring things to the channel. I'm going to end up having to go pick up another GB 40 because that unit died on me. So I'm going to pick another one of those up so we can do some comparisons with this guy against the GB40 as well as the other NoCo items. And I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And stay safe. Have a good day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!